Lesson number 4, Animal Quiz. Dear student, which is the largest land mammal? That is elephant. Which is the world's heaviest snake? That is anaconda. What is the color of the lobster's blood? That is blue. What is the collection of ducks called? It is known as team. Which is the deepest diver bird? That is emperor penguin. Which bird lays the biggest egg? That is ostrich. Which is the fastest mammal? That is cheetah. Which animal is the longest jumper? That is kangaroo. Which is the largest sea animal? That is blue whale. And the last one, which is the highest flying bird? That is Ruppel's griffon. Okay, so lesson number 5, surprising facts about animals. So one is the animal lives on a diet of blood, that is vampire bat. Second is the animal marks its territory by spraying urine on trees. It is cheetah. You can see the picture also. The next is this animal rolls in dust to clean itself. It is chinchilla. Next is the animal throws bright color when attacked. It is octopus. This animal is famous for mousing jump technique. It is red fox. And the last one is this animal eats only eucalyptus leaves. That is koala. Okay. Lesson number 6, all about birds. So dear students, birds are warm-blooded. Birds are warm-blooded and are the only animal with feathers. Many birds are named after some special qualities they have. So today we will learn about those special names of birds. So first is its name means fast or quick. The bird is swift. The answers are also given in this help box. You can check the spellings from there. The second, its name refers to a piece of paper attached to a string that flows in the air. It is kite. Third number, its name is used to a machine which lifts heavy objects. It is crane. Fourth, its name also refers to an Austrian whose occupation is weaving. That is weaver. Fifth, this bird does not build its nest. It is cuckoo. Sixth one, poets often describe its singing, but it is not a nightingale. That is lark. Seventh, this bird can mimic the sounds of other birds and insects around it. That is mockingbird. Next is the 10th letter of the English alphabet is the homophone of the name of this bird. So dear students, a J is also a name of bird. Ninth, its name is also used to refer to the tall poles fixed under a house built a steep hillside. That is stilt. Stilt is the name of a bird. The 10th one, its name also means colored flags used for decoration and celebration. That is bunting. And the last one, the beak of this bird is like a spoon. That is spoonbill bird. Okay. Next is Indian superlatives. So lesson number 8 is identify following superlatives of India and write their names below each picture. Choose your answers from the help box. So some hints are also given and the picture is also we can see. The highest gateway, it is Fatehpur Sikri. It is Fatehpur Sikri. Second number, the highest dam Uttarakhand, it is Tehri Dam. The largest dome which is situated in Karnataka, it is Gol Gumbaj. And the next one is the largest road tunnel, Jammu and Kashmir. It is Chennai Nashri Highway. And here it is the option also given in the help box. You can see. Next is the largest mosque which is situated in Delhi. It is Jama Masjid. And next is the highest rainfall Meghalaya. It is Mawsynram. Next is the highest mountain peak Sikkim. It is Kanchenjunga. Next is the tallest building Mumbai. It is the Imperial Second. And the next one is the highest road Ladakh. It is Khardung La. Next, lesson number 9, knowing our tricolor. The tricolor of India is a symbol of honor and freedom for the country. It is of great significance to us. We should respect and know everything about our national flag. So, first is, by what name is our national flag popularly known? Is it Tiranga? Next is, how many spokes are there in the Dharma Chakra in the national flag of India? That is 24. Third, what is the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length? It is 2/3. And the fourth number, what does the Dharma Chakra in our national flag depict? It is progress. Fifth number, what was the national flag in its present form adopted? It is 22 July 1947. And the next, lesson number 10, first in India. The first Indian to get the Nobel Prize is Rabindranath Tagore. You can see the picture of him. And next is, the first Indian to climb the Mount Everest is Avatar Singh Cheema. Third question, the first Indian woman IPS is Kiran Bedi. Fourth is, the first Indian to go into space is Rakesh Sharma. Fifth number, the first Indian woman to get the Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa. Sixth number, the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal. And the next one is, the first Indian woman to win the Miss Universe title was Susmita Sen. And the eighth number, the first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel, it is Aarti Saha. Ninth number, the first Indian cricketer to score triple century in a test match, it is Virendra Sehwag. The 10th, the first Indian to swim across the English Channel is Mihir Sen. Next is Indian Defence Service. So the Indian Armed Forces consist of 3 main services. Second, Army Day is celebrated on 15th January. Third question, India's first tactical surface-to-surface missile is Prithvi. And the next is India's short-range surface-to-air missile is Trishul. Okay. Next, India's beyond virtual range (BVR) air-to-air missile is Astra. India's supersonic anti-ship cruise missile is BrahMos. India's medium-range surface-to-air missile is Akash. India's first long-range multiple ballistic missile is Agni 5. And the second last, the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces is President of India. And the highest gallantry award given to a soldier in Indian Armed Forces is Param Veer Chakra. Now the lesson number 12, Great Indian Scientist. So the first one, he invented the criscograph through which he measured plant response to the various stimuli and hypnotized that plant can feel pain, understand affection, etc. So the scientist name is Jagdish Chandra Bose. So next is, he discovered Chandrasekhar limit and received the Nobel Prize for Physics. So with the name we can find out that it is the Chandrasekhar. The name of this S. Chandrasekhar. The scientist name is S. Chandrasekhar. Okay. Next is, he was the first Indian scholar who studied only in India and received the Nobel Prize for Physics. So it is C.V. Raman, very great scientist. Next is, he developed India's first satellite Aryabhat. It is Vikram A. Sarabhai. Fifth question is, he is known as the father of Indian nuclear program, that is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Next, sixth one, he was the first among Indians to conduct systematic bird surveys across India. He is known as the Birdman of India. It is Salim Ali. Next, he became the first to synthesize an artificial gene in a living cell. His work became the foundation for much of the later research In biotechnology and gene therapy, it is Hargobind Khurana. Next, he was the former president of our country. He is well known as the father of the Indian missile program. Missile man is APJ Abdul Kalam. Next, lesson number 13 is Indian states and cities. So, one is I share the capital city with the state of Telangana. It is Andhra Pradesh. So question number 2, the name of the state means the land of gems. So, land of gems is Manipur. And the next is Kanjivaram saris from the states are very popular. So, the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Fourth, chicken embroidery is speciality of the state is Lucknow. Lucknow's chicken embroidery is very famous. So next, fifth, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Ladakh and Leh are very popular tourist destination in the state. These places belongs to Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, let's write down here Jammu and Kashmir. Next is in Sanskrit, the name of the state means the land of snow. So the land of snow means Himachal Pradesh. And the seventh, English is the official language of the state. So official language of a state, the English is the official language is for Nagaland. And the next one is Tangali saris are famous for the state. The answer is West Bengal. Ninth is Meenakari jewelry is famous of this city. It is Jaipur. The answer is Jaipur. And the glass bangles are known to this state. That is, the answer is UP Firozabad. Hill stations of India. So here are some names are given in the hell box and we have to write, put the correct hill station in the correct place. First is Himachal Pradesh. There are Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. These three famous hill stations are situated in Shimla. Next is Tamil Nadu. There is Kodaikanal and Ooty. And the next is Jammu and Kashmir, Gulmarg, Leh, Srinagar and Pahalgam. In Uttarakhand, we can see Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet. In Maharashtra, that is Kandla, Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani. Next is West Bengal, that is Darjeeling. And in Sikkim, the hill stations are Kalipong and Gangtok. Okay, dear students, we will discuss the remaining chapters.